Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video is we're gonna learn about how to add seller information on Facebook Marketplace. So first, to be able to add in your information as a seller on Facebook Marketplace, so we need to head onto the marketplace for that. So just click marketplace in there, and there is actually no specific way for you to be able to add in your own information. So what you could do in here is once you create a new listing or you add in an item for sale or anything in here onto the listing type, then we're just gonna go ahead and try to add in some of your information so that they'll know anything about your information. So as you can see in here, we have the seller details. So we're just gonna go ahead and add in a photo in here, add in title, price, category of the product, and then right after, for you to be able to proceed, we're just gonna go ahead and fill this one out first. And now, as you can see, since I've added some details, then you could go ahead and add in more for that. So you could add in a brand of the item that you have added, choose your type, and here onto the description, you could go ahead and add in some of your information so that they will know you. So typically there is actually a seller information already in here, but these are just the basic information that they can see onto your account. So these are actually the informations that you have already as a Facebook account. So also the ratings that you have received onto your previous sales. So we're just gonna go ahead and try to add in a description so that they could know more, and then go ahead and try to fill out the details in here and just click on to next. Then right after, you'll just have to publish the item and it will be visible to them, the item that you have listed, also your seller information in here, and the seller information that you have added additionally onto the description. And that's just basically it onto adding seller information on Facebook Marketplace. If you think this has been helpful, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.